Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In today's video, we will show you how to view listing issues on Airbnb. We will also put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up. To start, open the website airbnb.com/hosting. Then log in with your phone number. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Menu. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Insights. Click on Insights. At the upper part of the screen, you will see several tabs. Click on the tab that says Listing Issues. That's how you view listing issues on Airbnb. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.